Hello, I'm Sunny. I'm the Engineering Director at Lindapter.
Hello, I'm Matt Taylor. I'm a regional sales engineer at Lindapter as well.
And here at Lindapter, we specialise in manufacturing steelwork connections. We're a manufacturer of steelwork connections that provide an alternative to welding and to traditional bolting.
Where we were approached by Munnings Construction. The job involved the replacement of a reconstruction of a dilapidated roof on their main maintenance building. We looked at the drawings and we were able to remove all of the hotworks by specifying a combination of our type AF clamp and our type CF clamp, which just allowed them to clamp the new cleats to the existing roof trusses without any hotworks. It was just really beneficial for the end users.
Lindapter have been a long-standing member of the BCSA, and for us it's about understanding our place within the marketplace and understanding the connection between our products and the end users. The BCSA provide a route in to understand the needs of the market and of structural engineers and fabricators. And so a big part of the BCSA gives us access to committees and to the membership really provides value to us in that sense that, we are able to not only give our specialist knowledge back to industry, but also take part in committees that help us to understand the user and the end clients a little bit better.